get the sheep wool, okay?
Ooh, yeah.
Go get the sheep wool, okay?
The sheep wool?
It's
The
that.
wool.
That white.
Can I get some wood along the way? I need
Oh
wood.
yeah, you need a lot of wood. A ton of wood.
Before the sun goes down. I need to find a
Get-
cave.
30 pieces of wood, okay?
That's
the oak
3.
wood and birch wood, no matter what. Just get it.
How many pieces do I
You'll
have?
need
here?
oak wood
Is
more.
this birch?
No, yeah, that's birch. We need oak. That's
Nice.
oak. That's birch.
You said I need both just now.
No, never mind. You need oak.
Alright, I'll get oak. But I want to find a cave before it gets dark.
Okay, but I don't know. Let's go find a cave out, I guess.
You already had one.
There's creepers stuck in
Yeah, I
there.
know, but we got killed, so should I? What if I could load the last game? No? Doesn't work like that?
Doesn't look like that. They're in the tree. Let's go find some good stuff. That's the jungle, I think. I think that's the jungle, so. Go, go, go. You were in the right way.
Trying.
I'm going back.
Oh, I'm just trying to get around these trees. What is that? Flowers.
Oh, those waste inventory space. Oh yeah, there's iron in there, cobblestone.
You don't see that really? That's just a rock, the trees. Is that a good tree? Nothing.
Those are seeds, don't get. Oh, you can't get the wood. No, get the wood, you just carved.
I didn't get it? Oh. And it's like a jungle in here.
I'm pretty sure it is when you just go deeper.
I need some
There's
shelter.
lots of cheese in mine.
Oh, see, I'm sure there's a. What is that?
I see something yellow over here.
I saw something.
Okay, yellow.
Sand.
Sand bed.
I think sand is good for a reason.
Hey, jump into the water.
What is that? Nothing.
Sugar canes. Sugar canes.
Oh, get it? Okay, I don't know. It's good.
Those are sugar. I thought there was bamboo. I'm so silly. You dropped a lot in the water.
Sorry. I think there's a cave over here.
Pretty sure there is.
It's
Pretty
just-
sure it
I
is.
already see it, I think.
Really?
That's some stone. Get it. Well, I think you need to craft a sword first, or I won't let you get it.
I got. So, oh, there's like a cave in there. See that?
No, it wouldn't count as anything. You
Really?
need a sword for real.
Okay, okay.
So Y, press Y,
Why?
and then crafting. So you gotta get your wood. Yeah. No,
What?
no, no, no.
What?
Where the chest, the
Oh,
treasure
that one?
chest. Oh yeah, that one. Then press the oak wood. The oak wood. No,
Oops. What?
sorry, not that. I meant to say this.
This thing?
Yeah.
That?
Again. 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 We're gonna need it, so yeah.
I can make wood. Nice sticks now. Oh yeah, I can make this.
No, you need two. Oh yeah, make that.
And then
you,
place it.
You need sticks too. You need sticks too. No, that's when you get in the cave. So you need sticks. Wait, you need a.
Okay,
we're
okay,
trying to
okay.
make a sword, so get one stick, and then a sword. So you need a piece of. We need more wood.
Can I place this?
Wait, the oak wood, the oak wood planks. No, but we'll need to use that later.
I was gonna make a
Oh,
make
yeah.
a thing now. You know, like this.
So let's make a sword.
A sword.
Okay, fine. And then,
I'll make a sword too.
we need more. Let's go get more wood.
Okay, hold on. I got a pickaxe, so I could just build a shelter here. You know what I'm saying?
Is that gravel or is it
I
stone?
can just make this my shelter. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but check your inventory and see if that's cobblestone or anything. Over here.
Right here.
What is that?
Ooh. So cool.
Cobblestone. Get more. Get
So
more.
I can make
Get
a
like-
furnace really quick. I can make it right now, I think.
Yeah, all you need is 8.
I just wanted to do this so that I have a safe spot because it.
So go to your
it's dark.
crafting table. Now put it all. Put it all there. No, 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 no.
Right here. See?
Yeah, make it.
I think it's in my inventory right now.
Yeah. So here's
Oh,
the thing.
Can I?
You can put your dirt.
Oh wait.
Go to the chest.
Chest.
Just put your dirt,
Oh yeah.
flour,
Yeah,
and
that
stuff,
stuff. Yeah. I did quick.
and then this. The dirt. The wood. The wood. Just the birch wood.
Okay.
Yeah, just that.
Mhm.
Oh, you'll need cobblestone. Put it back. Put the cobblestone back. I'm
I was
sorry.
gonna place this
Okay,
for a
fine.
second.
You'll need a lot of cobblestone, so get more cobblestone. No, don't place it. No, no, no.
I want to use it.
Okay, let's go.
I'm
Wait,
trying to make a. I want to make a.
we gotta go get some wood. I mean, the wool and meat.
What did it say? It's a stick. I want to build a. It's a stick and
You
coal.
wanna make a what? I'll help you make it.
I need 1 lump of coal and
Oh,
a
wait.
stick.
Wait. Wait. Crafting table. We'll make you a wooden axe.
Let me just get this real quick. He's right here.
That was easy. You got wool, yes. Now go to the furnace. I mean, the
Yeah.
crafting table.
Yeah.
Now get your 2 cobblestone. Now put it there.
Okay.
Then a stick. You have 1 stick.
Okay. And then what?
No, I'm sorry.
Do I have to
Put
split
them,
it up?
You can put them back.
Put them back?
Okay. Put them back to your inventory. There you go. And then go to your weapons and armor. Weapon and armor. Oh man. The iron pickaxe. Iron. Oh, you need 3 and 2 sticks. Okay. So let's make more sticks. More sticks. A stick.
I'm just checking this. Is that lever? Okay. Sticks. More of these.
Just 1. Okay, now you got a lot. So go back to weapons and armor. You'll need more cobblestones. Oh wait.
What?
Hallelujah.
Which one?
No, iron sword. Iron sword.
Make that?
And the stone sword. Get it. Now
Okay.
go get more cobblestone, please.
Okay.
It's getting nighttime, so you want to put your stuff back in there.
I really want to make a torch. You think there would be some coal in here? I can't see anything.
I think that's not a cave.
Go back and get. No, you have a stone sword, so you can pretty much kill anything. Now we're ready to go out.
Well,
Well,
I just want some coal.
I know. I'm trying to help
Or you could take over a little bit.
Yeah, finally get to play. So we gotta take this with us.
Isn't that cool? We made a furnace. You're just gonna go to another location?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop, Lincoln. What did you just do? Sorry. Furnaces are hard to dig out.
If you can get some coal though, you can make torches.
Well, I want to make a stone pickaxe. Ooh. There you go. Way to go, Brandon. Way to go. Let's go. Go on hunting. Hunting mission. Starting now.
Oh, listen to this.
Ow, my
Listen to
God.
this. That's really cool. It says, Jeb says, to make it easier to survive your first night, burn blocks of wood in a
Oh
furnace.
yeah, I remember.
You can make charcoal. You can use that instead of coal to make torches.
Yeah, I remember.
We should stay at your cave because it's dark. Now go ahead and hurry up and make the drop your furnace.
I'm trying to make sure I'm clear.
I'm glad you went back to your little shelter.
No, I dropped it.
It's in your inventory. Why? Down in the little box.
Oh yeah, sorry.
And then just switch out your meat or something, the little flesh, or just take it. Yeah.
I need 1 more piece of wool. Ooh.
All right, now use that. No, use it. Use it LT, and then burn sticks or something like that, right? It says
Wood.
blocks of wood, and you can make. You need fuel. What's the fuel? Where's your fuel? I don't even know. Can you use the meat as fuel or something like that?
You can make pink dye out of flowers. I'm trying to make a weapon. confused. How do you
Okay.
make an iron pickaxe? No steps.
You read the book, I'll play a little bit.
Okay. Stone pickaxe. Okay, now I know. Stone pickaxe. So, put your crafting table back on. The crafting table, yeah. And I can hit it. And then you'll need 2 pieces of iron and 3 pieces of iron and 2 pieces of stick.
Where's the iron at? Oh, is
Oh,
that
I'm
here?
sorry,
I think
cobblestone.
I have iron here.
No, I mean
Oh.
cobblestone. The cobblestone.
2 pieces?
2 pieces.
Oops.
It's kind of complicated, yeah.
That's 1.
Yeah, there's a particular place you gotta
That's 2, I think. That's 5.
Here, let me see. I'm good at these games.
What are you trying to make?
Stone pickaxe.
Okay. It's 3 cobblestones.
And 2 sticks. No.
Spiders got killed.
Hard.